Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Mi11X device. So both phones, they're having the different kind of processor. So let's see friends which processor will be the best in terms of the speed test comparison and the RAM management as well. So if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends. And recently I did upload a video on speed test comparison with the Mi11X and the OnePlus 8T. So make sure to check that video. And a lot of users did request me to make a video with the Realme X7 Pro. In the upcoming days, I'll try to even do comparison with the Mi11 as well, which is a Snapdragon 888 processor. So in case if you're having any other doubts with the battery draining test results while playing PUBG or any other details about the playlist, so make sure to check the playlist and you will find all the videos together. So both phones are running the 8GB RAM variant models right now. Both phones have installed the applications, 11 applications. So overall 6 normal applications and 5 games. So 6 applications which are kind of basic applications which we use every day, and the normal 5 games I did include. So let's begin the test friends speed test application. Which phone will be able to perform the best? As you can see here, so Mi11X with the Snapdragon 870 chipset and the Realme X7 Pro with the Dimensity 1000 plus chipset. So in terms of the first, let me try to start with the reboot speed test, so which I'll be doing every time. So I forgot to do right now. So let me try to start the restart. I'm trying to restart the both phones at same time. So let's see friends which phone will be able to restart faster. So right now, as you can see friends, both phones logos are displayed and 5G and the MIUI, and the Mi11X phone did turn on faster than the Realme X7 Pro. So Realme X7 Pro still taking plenty of time, as you can see friends right now. So let me try to unlock and keep the phone ready. The phone is ready as well here, as you can see. So the Mi11X device is a clear winner in terms of the reboot speed test. So that is the first thing you need to know. So next thing, let me try to start using one by one application. So let's try with the first with the Facebook application friends. So let's see which phone will be opening faster. So all the apps are obviously closed because just now the phone got rebooted. As you can see, both phones kind of close to each other. So next app is a WhatsApp. Both are opening faster. And one thing is that the Realme X7 Pro, you did see it's going to the backside memory, as you can see right now. Let me try to again press YouTube. So I did get some kind of error message with the YouTube. So now let me try to start YouTube again. So I did close from the multitasking. So both phones kind of close to each other. And next is Instagram. So Mi11X slightly better and faster. Next is Ghana. As you can see friends, both phones are kind of close, but I did get some kind of error message. So let me try to close the Ghana and start again. So let's see now. So Mi11X did load faster, and both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So that's another thing you need to know. So now with the Google Chrome application, so Mi11X, as you can see friends, Mi11X did load slightly faster. And next is the PUBG. So right now the games has been begun. So till now the Mi11X was in the lead, and right now I'm not using any kind of VPN application. So as soon as the PUBG opens, it will try to show the error message, and the PUBG opened faster in the Mi11X device. You can clearly see friends, the Mi11X phone got opened faster than the Realme X7 Pro. So let me try to go back directly. So you can clearly identify between both phones by looking at the punch holes. So it should not be any kind of confusion for you which phone is what phone. So Realme X7 Pro and Mi11X obviously. So next is a FIFA game. So let me try to start the FIFA game. So let's see which phone opens the faster this FIFA game right now. So in case if you're interested in this kind of speed test comparisons, definitely friends, I'm ready to do so many videos as well. So Mi11X opened faster. So Mi11X did open the game faster, and let me try to tap at same time. I'll try to do the comparison with the Snapdragon 888 processor as well very soon. I'll try to do. So it did take a little bit kind of time to open this kind of home page in the FIFA game in the Mi11X device. So let me try to go back. And next game is a small game, so which is a Gateway 2 game. So it should not take much time in both phones. So let's see which phone will be open. Realme X7 Pro. As you can see, the Realme X7 Pro did open the game slightly faster than the Mi11X device. So next game is the Ace Force. So let me try to go to the Ace Force game. So it is a Ace Force. So let's see friends which phone will be able to open faster, and definitely the Snapdragon 870 chipset is slightly faster than the Dimensity 1000 Plus, but not in all scenarios, only in the few scenarios. So you may not be noticing a huge difference. So only maybe small milliseconds of difference is there most of the time. So I did register as a new user, so that's why you're getting this kind of page. So let me need to go back to the home screen, and last application is a Minecraft. So Realme X8 Pro did show the message first. So let's see which, and the Mi11X did open the page faster, as you can see if you compare with the Realme X7 Pro's phone, as you can see. So till now overall the race is with the Mi11X device, but with the only minute difference, not the major differences. So now let me try to go back and try to open one by one application. So let's see which one will be the having in the memory. Both are there. So Realme X1 Pro took a little bit kind of time. YouTube, both are there in same position. And next Insta, sorry. So let me try to place Instagram. So Instagram, both are okay. Next Ghana. There's an ad here. Where to close the ad. And next Google Chrome. Both are same pages. And now let's see the gaming. So which phone will be having the PUBG game in the background? So that is the most interesting thing to see. So both phones have the PUBG game in the background running, as you can see friends. So next is a FIFA game. Even both phones have the FIFA game in the background successfully, no issues. So next is the Gateway 2. As you can see, both are kind of good. So next is Ace Force. Same position, both phones. No change in that. Minecraft, as you can see, both are kind of same even in the Minecraft, but slightly little bit kind of less in the Realme X7 Pro. So this is a quick speed test comparison friends. In the next videos I'll try to include the big games. So major games like Genshin Impact, Fortnite and all those games I'll try to include, and I'll try to make a video on that one as well in terms of the speed test comparison. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos, and don't forget to comment below what are your thoughts as well, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.